everyone, welcome back to Nafu's Unique Creations. So today let's make a beautiful Christmas tree. Now in the first step, let's take a green color paper and fold it in a conical shape as shown in the video. Now let's cut the base in order to make it flat. Now here I've taken a strip of paper of size 20 cm by 3 cm. Next, I'm going to draw a line leaving half centimeter from the top. Cut the strip as shown in the video. Next, we are going to fold it on one side, give it a little curve, make it like a leaf. Once that is done, now I'm going to stick these strips on the cone that we made. Repeat the same steps over again. Now our tree is ready. It's time to decorate it.